I hope it works.
Do you have to change that entire thing?
Yeah, this whole thing's coming off. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Boys and girls, friends, non-subscribers. We got a long day ahead of us, a lot to do in a little amount of time. We're just about to head out to drop off this trailer, make some quick cash. She's all empty. Guy looked at it last night and wants to buy it, but his trailer lights weren't working on his truck, so I said I'll drop it off for him. And then we're gonna come back and do wheel bearings on this truck because it is well overdue. It's bad, the noise is bad, everything's bad. Let's get our day started, shall we? Dropped off the trailer, delivered it for him. I'm off to pick up some cornhole boards for the wife and I. We got them ordered through a guy out in Dayton. So we're gonna head to Dayton and then back home and get started on these wheel bearings. It's out in the woods a little bit. Get these gosh dang boards. Look at that. It's like a cliff. It's quite the driveway here. Cool. We just got the I just got the boards. Comes with some American flag bags here. Little case. The boards did some staining. Hopefully they slide pretty well. Some nice stencil work with some paint. Established 2020. Got our name on the bottom there, upside down. I like them. I think they're pretty sick. Let's get home. Get on these wheel bearings. Alright, just got the wheels off. I'm not like 100% sure they're bad. I just know when I put the new tires on, I got like excessive road noise and it didn't sound like it was just the tires, and now I'm getting vibrations in the steering wheel. So that's, I think, a good indication they're going out. Plus the offset wheels, it's just a good idea to replace them. I don't know how old they are, so I'm gonna hit everything with some PB Blaster, let it sit a minute, and then we're gonna get started on probably the driver's side first. All right. While we're waiting for the PB Blaster to do its job, just gonna go ahead and get these dust covers off on both sides. I'll expose the axle nut that we're gonna have to take off. Got the brake caliper all seated up there. Got the brake rotor off. And now it's gonna be a matter of getting this nut off, which in reality probably should have done while it was on the ground, but that's okay. I'm gonna try and block this up and then go to town on it. I find out where I put the... You having fun with that camera?
What?
You having fun with that camera?
Yeah, I got zoomed in on your face.
Okay, let's not zoom in all the way. Let's put some heat on it.
I go on this side.
You ready? You try this? Let's give it a shot. I hope it works. How you doing? Oh, there we go. Alright, so this comes off. Right off, maybe. Yep, that should come off. And then this should come off right here too. Oh yeah. Okay. Now let's. Oh, there you go. Stay. Okay. Whoa! Shit! Right. Shh. Sit down.
You're gonna wake up the neighbors.
Okay.
You can tell by his
Yeah,
hands.
I don't know. I mean, maybe it wasn't that bad a shape, but we're gonna replace it anyways. I'll commentate.
If you're still watching the video, what are you doing? And you haven't subscribed, go subscribe to join the family and you can see more videos. Bye. Here's the new one.
Yeah, this is the new one. This is the old and the new.
Very shiny.
Very shiny. Hi, I'm Black Bill. Just kidding, this steering wheel is disgusting. From
Just like
turning
you.
it so many times, just my hands.
Just like you.
Thanks.
Test this baby out. That did not work.
Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible.
That's okay.
It's terrible.
Stop judging me.
I think
Oh, I can't film like that. That's gonna ruin it.
wheels haven't fell off. So that's a plus.
The wheels haven't go off.
Actually, the real test is going to be windows up. Because it was humming really bad before.
Noise.
Alright,
So what are you talking about, dude? What are you talking about?
you're ridiculous. Alright, let's take a listen. See if it shows up on camera. It'd be humming by now. I have nothing. Listen to that. Do you feel that? No, because you don't ride in the truck with me, but it feels like glass. It's so smooth. Holy crap, what a difference. Stop picking your nose.
I'm not.
We're gonna have to get up to speed like 55 miles an hour, and then that will really determine how much noise is canceled. It's way better. That's gonna do it for this video. Thanks to the help of Olivia on camera. You guys are great. As always, keep it weird, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!